Lawn maintenance services is one of the many services that we do provide. A basic lawn maintenance package includes mowing of the property, weed eating, edging out concrete surfaces, curbs, things like that, spraying cracks of concrete, rock headers, landscape beds, as well as blowing off the grass out off of concrete surfaces. Also, another package, a step up above just basic lawn maintenance, is our lawn maintenance landscape combo package, where we provide all the services that were listed above, as well as a basic pulling of the weeds in the landscape beds and light trimming. With our lawn maintenance division, our most commonly asked questions are, do we do weekly or bi-weekly? And the answer to that is we do both weekly and bi-weekly lawn maintenance services. Do we do other services, and can they include or bundle that? And the answer is that, yeah, most definitely. Even though we're just doing the lawn maintenance, if you ever want us to just trim your shrubs one time a year, just call the office or ask in any way, shape, or form, and we'll more likely go ahead and give you the estimate or the proposal up front, and we'll do that service. With our lawn maintenance division, we have a couple of different ways to go about getting a proposal or an estimate. By far the best method for us, TenderCare, and for you, the client, is to call in our office at 337-313-3002, speak to a representative, because what most people don't know is the technology we have driving our company. And what I mean by that, just to elaborate, is we have the capabilities of measuring out the turf square footage using our computer-based software, and we have a price matrix built out that tells me the turf square footage, and it automatically gives me the pricing. That way it's immediate, it's prompt, it's upfront, it's quick, and it's a more accurate pricing. This is by far the best way for you, the client. It shows you the efficiency, and the speed of service is the most important for the client, in my opinion. So there are two other ways to go about doing that, but Facebook is also an option. If you're on Facebook, you can always hit our Get Quote button, which will automatically come to the office, and we can do the same process by measuring out the total square footage. The other way is going on our website at tendercarelawnservice.com. That all three methods come to our office and allow us to measure up the turf square footage and give you more accurate and prompt responses. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our website at tendercarelawnservice.com or hop on our Facebook page, give us a thumbs up. That way you can stay current with all the latest and greatest news that we have going on at TenderCare Lawn Service. And here at TenderCare Lawn Service, we shake the hand, we look you in the eye, and we want to do business with you.